Hop into the 2019 Hyundai Kona. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Every drive is fun and fresh in this agile and versatile Kona. This subcompact crossover SUV prioritizes enjoyment thanks to easy touchscreen infotainment, tech-savvy amenities, a comfortable cabin, and spirited handling. What's more, its advanced safety features give you the confidence to relax and enjoy the ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, navigation system, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, power driver seat, rear spoiler. Practical versatility meets breakout fun in this high-spirited Kona. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.